Hi everybody, uh, welcome back. Last time we started a discussion on the excretory system of humans. Initially, we had a discussion on what are the types of excretion, and we discussed three major types of excretion, right? What is ammonotelism, what is ureotelism, and what is uricotelism. And we also saw some of the excretory structures which are there in the lower organisms, in the invertebrates, right? Second, what we saw in the previous session is how ammonia is converted into urea by the process of the ornithine cycle, which happens in the liver. The third point that we learned in the previous session was the structure of the human excretory system, wherein kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Right? So, this was what we have covered in the chapter up till now. We'll take this chapter forward and start with the internal structure of the kidney. Right? So, how is the kidney in its anatomy? Right? ना बाहर से और for अंदर से उसका structure कैसा है? ठीक है? So, let's have a look now. Yes. So this is a longitudinal section of the kidney which is there in front of you, right? तो किडनी का longitudinal section है, vertically काटा गया है किडनी को, right? Okay. Now kidney in its longitudinal section will show three areas, right? The outermost area is called as the cortex. ये रहा, ये जो एरिया है ये कॉर्टेक्स है, राइट? Inner striated area, ये middle वाला, if you can see this pyramidal structure, right? This is called as the medulla. And this white structure, if you can see, ये पूरा, which is leading right up the ureter, right? That is called as the renal sinus, right? So we have the cortex, we've got the medulla, and we have the sinus, right? तो तीनों पार्ट हम लोग अभी करते हैं, ठीक है? अच्छा, now see, we know kidney is made up of nephrons, and nephron we have studied at the school level. So basic structure of the nephron, right? Parts of the nephron, I assume that everybody is aware of. We know nephron is made up of that Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, PCT, DCT, loop of Henle. ठीक है? Now, one point which I would like to bring to your notice is this. Now, ये देखो. Can you see this is the renal cortex and ये renal medulla है. Now, थोड़ा सा zoom करता हूं मैं इसको. ये देखो. ये Bowman's capsule glomerulus. Bowman's capsule glomerulus. So cortex में ये cup shape structures है. Bowman's capsule और glomerulus. Whereas जितने भी लंबे ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, लूप ऑफ हेनले, कलेक्टिंग डक्ट, ये सब मेडुला में है. Now, each kidney has got around 1.2 million nephrons. So when you're talking about the cortex, so 1.2 million यानी 12 lakh, right? Bowman's capsule छोटे छोटे जिसकी diameter 0.1 millimeter है, right? So you will find that cortex का appearance is a little granular, grain-like structure. वो जो grain है, actually it is this Bowman's capsule and glomerulus. So ये छोटे छोटे structures, rounded structures are appearing as a grain-like. So cortex का appearance is a very grainy structure, whereas medulla का appearance is striated. Why striated? Because ये सारे tubes है उसके अंदर. running parallel to each other, right? So that is why we find the appearance of the cortex is granular and the appearance of the medulla is striated. ठीक है? Okay, let's see what's the description. Cortex forms the outer reddish brown granular part. I told you why the appearance should be granular. Parts of the cortex tissue invade the medulla and lie between the adjacent pyramids. अब ये जो medulla है, renal medulla, if you can see this, or if I can take the liberty of using a pen here, okay, can you see this structure, everybody, please? Right, ये renal medulla है. अब ये पूरा part जो है ना, जितने वो पूरा medulla है, उसमें से ये individual part, I'll draw one more. ये pyramid है, right? This individual structure is called as a renal pyramid. ठीक है? So यहां पर क्या लिखा है आपने पास, देखो यहां पे parts of the cortex tissue which invade the medulla. Now what part are we talking about in the diagram? Have a look please. ये देखो, we are talking about this area, right? ये actually है cortex वाला part, लेकिन ये दो pyramids के बीच में जा रहा है, right? Now we are talking about this area, ये वाला area, right? So ये देखो क्या लिखा है, what is this? This is a renal column. ये एक renal column है, and this column is called as the column of Bertini. The column of Bertini. ठीक है? So दो pyramids के बीच में जो cortex का tissue है, that is like a straight column, and that is called as the Bertini's column or the column of Bertini. ठीक है? So this is the cortex वाला area. Okay. Coming to the medulla. Okay. Let's see what the medulla has for us. Inner pale striated part. I told you why it is striated. It is striated because of the presence of the limbs of the loop of Henle, the collecting duct, the straight wala part. It is made up of 4 to 14 striated conical masses called as renal pyramids, right? So is this now the renal pyramid, ये वाला? Right? So this is the renal pyramid. Each pyramid has its base directed outwards, right? ना? So ये part उसका base हो गया और ये हो गया उसका apex. So ये renal pyramid का apex, ये renal pyramid का apex. See, I'm making the apex of all the renal pyramids in the diagram here, please. Please pay attention. Can you see all the apices, जितने भी renal pyramid के apex है, they're all directed towards the hilum. See the notch through which everything enters and leaves the kidney is called as the hilum, right? So all the apices are directed towards the hilum. Now, this apex, ये जो apex है ना, उसको बोलते हैं renal papilla. Renal papilla, ये देखो. This is the renal papilla, what I'm drawing here now. Right? So this apex is called as the renal papilla. ठीक है? So पहला था cortex और दूसरा है papilla. अब renal sinus, right? Now I told you ये whitish portion पूरा, ये वाला पूरा, ये पूरा जो है वो renal sinus है. ठीक है? अब internally the hilum leads to a space called renal sinus. सो हाइलम के अंदर ये पूरा जो व्हाइट पोर्शन अपने को दिख रहा है वो पूरा रीनल साइनस है, राइट, which is occupied by the upper expanded part of the ureter called as the pelvis, right? अब ये वाला जो एरिया है वो है रीनल पेल्विस, ये है रीनल पेल्विस, राइट, इट इज द कोनिकल पार्ट, ठीक है, एक्सपैंडेड पार्ट। अब देखो यहां से यूरेटर जा रहा है, I'll make the ureter from your inside also. So can you see the ureter is expanding inside? बड़ा हो रहा है ureter। हाँ, तो ये जो बड़ा वाला पार्ट है ना उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं renal pelvis, right? Getting that everybody please? What is the renal pelvis? So ureter when it enters the hilum, it expands, and this expanded funnel type structure is nothing but the renal pelvis. Okay. The pelvis divides into 2 to 3 parts called as major calyces, right? हम लोग जो है ना थोड़ा सा ऊपर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, राइट? पेल्विस अपने को समझ में आ गया, व्हाट इज द पेल्विस, ठीक है। नाउ लेट मी गो बैक टू द रीनल पैपिला, राइट? इज दिस द रीनल पैपिला? द अपेक्स ऑफ द पिरामिड इज कॉल्ड एज द रीनल पैपिला, राइट? अब ये जो पैपिला है ना, इट फिट्स इनटू द माइनर कैलिक्स। ये जो एरिया है ना, if you just give me a chance, I'll just change the highlighter. Okay, now this is called as the minor calyx, right? ना, so papilla किसके अंदर फिट हो रहा है? माइनर कैलिक्स के अंदर फिट हो रहा है। The papilla fits into the minor calyx. Yeah. Now look at this. Is this the minor calyx? This is the minor calyx. अब minor calyx, यहां से minor calyx आ रहा है, यहां से minor calyx आ रहा है, यहां से minor calyx आ रहा है। So minor calyx join होके बनता है तुम्हारा major calyx। मेजर कैलिक्स ज्वाइन होके बनेगा तुम्हारा पेल्विस। पेल्विस कंटिन्यू होगा आगे एज यूरेटर, एज अ यूरेटर। जस्ट अ मिनट, होल्ड ऑन प्लीज। ओके, sorry for a small technical glitch, so you might find थोड़ा सा वीडियो बीच में अटक गया रहेगा थोड़ा सा। Fine, it's done now. We can just continue with our discussion. Okay, fine. We were at minor calyx and major calyx, right? So as I mentioned that the renal papillae is fitting into the minor calyx. So minor calyx जहां से renal sinus start होगा। So जो 2-3 minor calyx है वो join करके major calyx बनेगा। मेजर कैलिक्स ज्वाइन करके रीनल पेल्विस बनेगा और रीनल पेल्विस जो है वो यूरेटर बन के बाहर आएगा, राइट? सो दैट इज हाउ द रीनल पेल्विस इज स्ट्रक्चर्ड। नाउ ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट, राइट, नाउ वी विल फील एज इफ these structures are separate, cortex, medulla and sinus। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। It is one structure. There is one entire drainage structure. If you want, I'll just show you one more diagram. ये देखो, now this is cortex, ये रहा तुम्हारा pyramid, right? Now can you see the pyramid fitted into the minor calyx here, right? now देखो यहाँ पे सिर्फ minor calyx है, यहां से मॉडल में से pyramid निकाला गया है, तो this is the minor calyx, right? minor calyx will join to form the major calyx। ये रहे major calyx, right? Major calyx, can you look at this funnel shaped structure now here? So this is nothing but the pelvis, right? So ये पूरा drainage structure है। Look at this diagram, The renal tubule, the PCT, DCT, they all start from here. Loop of Henle, come into the medulla. Look at this now. Can you see the duct ending into the papilla? See, this is the apex of the pyramid, the papilla. This is the papilla. So can I see that these are the papillary ducts which are actually draining into the minor calyx here, right? So यहाँ से जो filtration होगा, loop of Henle, collecting duct, it will all come at the base of the pyramid. And this entire thing from all the filtrates, right? All it will drain into the minor calyx. From the minor into the major, major से pelvis, pelvis से ureter से बाहर जाएगा. Right now, so if you notice this diagram, on the right hand side of the diagram, I have given the path of the urine drainage. ये देखो, path of the urine drainage, right? So filtration कहाँ पे होगा? Glomerulus में, right? It will go through the PCT, loop of Henle, DCT, right? Collecting duct, ये देखो collecting duct में आ गया. कलेक्टिंग डक्ट से कहाँ आएगा? पैपिलरी डक्ट जो पिरामिड के टिप में है वहां पर आएगा, वहां से माइनर कैलिक्स में आएगा, वहां से मेजर में पेल्विस, यूरेटर एंड ब्लैडर. सो दिस इज द एंटायर पाथवे ऑफ द यूरिन ड्रेनेज, राइट? सो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर में क्या क्या आता है अपने पास? वी हैव द कैलिक्स, सॉरी, वी हैव द कॉर्टेक्स, we have the medulla and the renal sinus. These three structures are present in the internal structure of the kidney. Obviously, internally we should know that kidney is made up of these microscopic tubular structures which are called as nephrons, right now. So in the next video, we would be taking on the structure of the nephron, right? Okay. Thank you all so much.